Okay. Hi. How did practice go? How were you? How did you shoot?
I shot good.
What'd you shoot?
Not so good.
Not so good?
No, I shot good. I just don't want to be on video.
Over 200?
Yes.
Yeah, good job.
Over 250?
Over 250? Oh, come on. Okay, so Dad is like really, really sick. He's congested, and so I have been trying to convince him of this little bitty thing called the NeoMed sinus syringe, which we just call it a neti pot. And he's like, no, I don't want to do this. But it really, really works. The moment you start feeling like you're getting sick, you take a couple zinc, some raw vitamin C, some honey, and it knocks it out. So he's had the cold for how long now?
A week, 2 weeks.
It's like 2 weeks now, and he's literally not breathing at night. I have to wake him up. I had it for like a day and a half, and I did that. I'm better. So we're gonna do the neti pot, and he's dreading it. He doesn't want to do it, but he's like desperate now. So I finally got him to do it. So hold that. So what you do is you just pour it really, really. My bottle's clean and sanitized, so I'm gonna put some warm water in it. Don't look at my sink. I haven't cleaned it. And since that's scorching hot water. And then here's the box. It's a little kit. It comes all together. And you actually have these pre-measured saline solution things. And you just shake it down. And hand me those scissors right there, please. You cut the top off.
Isn't this kind of like go find a twig to
Just
whip me with?
I'm not going to whip you. And then you pour in the saline solution. I'm telling you. And then you put this wonderful little nozzle on it. Got a little bit of farm on my hand there. I should rinse the top off. Oops, sorry. There you go. Yeah. And you shake it up. And then what you do is you put it on one nostril and you just shoot. And you keep your mouth open so it drains out of your mouth if it's going through, and if not, it'll go through the other nostril. And it's painless. It's harmless. So go for it, babe.
Oh, we're not filming this.
Oh, we are.
Oh no, we're not filming
Let's do it.
this.
Okay, just one squirt. Come on. We're
Wait,
just living.
okay.
We're just being real.
Yeah, well, I don't want to be real with like snot coming out of my face.
Oh, you can't see it. It's just the water's kind of washing it out. You can't see it. I mean, I'm showing my dirty sink, so it will be clean.
That's much worse than what I'm about to do.
Yeah, so I know. Not my brush. Here. Ethan will support you.
Keep laughing, Ethan. You're next.
So I mean, because it's like doing one of those not a colostomy. What do you call those?
Please, not a colostomy.
What are those things?
Waterboarding?
No, when you go to the hospital and they stick the camera up your rear end.
Colonoscopy?
Yeah, that one. Colonoscopy.
Colonoscopy. Those are amazing. Everybody should get one.
So much
I
fun.
mean, it's not fun, but it's not like horrible. But where on planet Earth are you going to have somebody be able to put a camera up there and tell you, hey, you're healthy, you're okay, there's no tumors or cancers or blockage up there? That's like a miracle from God. So I strongly advise everybody to get a colonoscopy. That too. And I kid you not, it's amazing. And they put you out, so don't even worry about it. So so this is kind of one of those things where it's amazing. Seriously. Okay, go.
I can't believe I'm hearing
Just
this.
do this.
And where in the world will someone
Just-
say that, yay?
Just open your mouth and relax. Relax your neck.
Last time I was bent over and the doctor said that. Moon River. Okay.
Can I see you? I'm gonna do it. Okay, there you go. I'll do it from over here.
Oh my.
Okay. Just squish it in. There you go. Okay, keep going. Just keep the same one. We're gonna do one for each one. Or at least
Coming
half
out
the
the
bottom.
other one.
I know. It's not pleasant.
No.
But
no.
it will. You're going to feel so much
Oh,
better.
yeah, I feel so much better right now.
I mean, everybody should have these, I mean, because nobody wants to do it. But you know what? It's necessary, and it's so much better than medication. Do the other side now. Did you get it?
No, it didn't go through.
Okay. Oh, then they keep working on that side then.
Oh my god.
Your sinuses are so swollen.
This is kind of like a snipe hunt.
Yeah. No. What is it? What are those things called?
It's called
A
prank.
A snipe?
Snipe.
No.
Snipe. Snipe.
Okay. That is beyond nasty.
Did you get it out?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna do the other nostril. I'll let you know how he does. Bye.